Hi guys, what's up? This is me Akriti Anand once again on Vartalap with Akriti. By the way, World Lipstick Day is coming on 29th of July and see what I got. My god, a bag full of lipsticks from Maybelline. They've sent me so many lip colors. I'm so excited to show कौन-कौन से colors आए हैं मेरे पास. And I will show you. And ये मैं अभी इसलिए बात कर रही हूँ इस बारे में because today the show is dedicated to grooming hacks for women. अभी कल हमने बात किया था about grooming hacks for men. Now why should boys have all the fun? That's why मैंने आज लड़कियों के बारे में एक शो तैयार किया. And festive season is coming. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो हम लड़कियां करती हैं during the festive season. We all want to look good and who doesn't want to be presentable. That's why आज मेरे शो पे मैं लेके आई हूँ एक image coach को. Now she's also a friend of mine and we've been friends for almost 7-8 years. She's also a celebrity anchor and she is Miss India Goa. I'm talking about Audrey De Silva and आज Audrey मेरे साथ आएंगे live and हम लोग खूब सारी बातें करेंगे and we'll figure out some hacks for women, for girls. So girls, if you want to look prim, proper, presentable, look ladylike, wear these nice lipsticks. Then stay tuned because in a short while Audrey's gonna join me and in the meantime you see this cute little box. Well, in this cute little box I've got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have more, right? 7, 8, 9, 10 and this one. Oh my god, yeah, almost 12 lipsticks inside this box, all shades of pink and पिछले जितने भी दिनों से आप मेरे लिप शेड्स देख रहे हैं ना, it's all thanks to Maybelline. 29 July is World Lipstick Day, so make sure you post a nice picture wearing a good lipstick on your Instagram. So let's get Audrey live without further ado. Yay!
Hi.
What's up? What's up?
How are
So good to
you?
see you, man.
So good to see you. So
Great.
good to see you. Yeah. Like you've
You
been
know how am
killing
I?
it on Instagram. You've been like
You know
actually
how am
killing
I?
it. How we- So
I'm a savage.
classy. I'm gonna take a filter because it's like the filter.
Oh, you're looking pretty. You don't need no
You
filters.
look nice. How are you? You've been killing it on Instagram because that's the best thing about you. You have a lot of patience, and that's really nice, to have that patience because you've been nailing it. मतलब मैं रोज live देखती हूँ, you're talking to people, and you're getting to know so many things. So that's fantastic. Yeah, I like watching your live. I've come. मैंने अख्तर को किया था ना. You had
Akhtar, yeah.
Akhtar. But that was a very nice live, अख्तर का. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था.
That is one of the first episodes of Vartalap which has gone viral. तो अभी मैं बस
Yeah?
wait कर रही हूँ. हाँ, मैं बस wait कर रही हूँ. I think 3,000-4,000 more views and then we'll touch 300K. And
Wow.
really excited for that. But all thanks to Akhtar. He came with so much of energy and positivity, and that was a topic which also people related to. Clint is watching us. Hi, Clint.
Hi, Clint. I have a lot of people. Shubhankit is watching. Clint is there. Parag is there. My mom is watching.
Ah, so sweet of you, Clint. I'm trying to be
Aarti,
organized.
hi.
I'm learning from you.
Shivani, hi. What?
Yeah,
super
so
organized
Audrey.
Yes.
Hello and welcome to everybody. Audrey's friends, my friends, our mutual friends and public. आज हम बात करने वाले about grooming hacks for girls क्योंकि कल हमने बात की थी about grooming hacks for boys and Audrey is here with me. She's an image coach. She's a celebrity anchor. She's also Miss India Goa. So Audrey, बताओ what are the hacks that you're gonna share with me today?
Thank you so much for the introduction. So बहुत अजीब लगा ये introduction सुन के because we both are almost from the same industry and it's so nice. Thank you, Akriti. So ये चक्कर में मैं अपना I forgot your question. What was it?
You're so sweet, yeah. But no, no. See, I always try and help my friends, in one way or the other. And why not? Yeah, you have worked
Yeah.
really hard. You have
Hmm.
reached this level, and it's all
Yeah.
because of your hard work. We both come from a place wherein we don't have a godfather in the industry who's helping us, guiding us, right?
Yeah.
हम लोगों ने अपने आप से किया है. हम दोनों को एक दूसरे को आगे लेके जाना है, बढ़ाना है. हम नहीं करेंगे तो कौन करेगा?
Exactly.
And with that thought in mind, I always try and get my friends on the show and get them to talk about the things that they know the best. And I know you know grooming a lot, and you've been also training people. You've started your own institute now. So tell
Yes.
us more about the hacks that you're gonna share. How many hacks are you gonna share with us?
So about Audacious, let's start from there because Audacious was like I wanted to start something like this since 2013 when I first got trained myself, and I wanted to be there. I wanted to start. I was very excited about it, but I didn't know how to start. Because you need to. It comes with after you train yourself. It comes with a lot of wisdom too. So you have to have the knowledge about it. You have to go through it yourself, and that's when you understand how to do it. Um, and that's when I started. Last year I launched it. I'm like, अब तो करना है. मतलब इतना अब तो I know a couple of things. I've done it myself. So so yeah, I mean the kind of courses that I provide also is more on. So I went into too much of technicalities actually. बहुत technical चीजों में मैं घुस गई थी. I started reading about it. I started working on it. I started experimenting things on myself, and that's where it came out. So today we're going to talk about grooming and what are the things a girl should do and not do. And there are a lot of small things that we forget. And for example, I told you कि चाय का cup कैसे पकड़ना. So I'm holding a big mug, but then when you're drinking something with that has tea, so people don't know you're actually supposed to keep your hand 3 fingers below and hold this is how you hold a teacup, or you get your grip here. So there's like बहुत सारी technicalities है that a lot of people don't know and they ignore in the process.
Okay, so let's begin with the first thing, which is very important in grooming, and that's about, how to maintain a personal hygiene. Now, I think that is the most important part when you talk about grooming. क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जिनको पता ही नहीं है कि हाइजीन भी कैसे मेंटेन करनी है. मतलब बात कर रहे हैं, मुंह से स्मेल आ रही है, कान कभी साफ नहीं किए जिंदगी भर में, नेल्स आर गोइंग क्रेजी, hair are sticky, crazy. So let's talk about everything. कैसे लड़कियां अपने आप को इन सब चीजों से दूर भगाएं?
Such a turn off. मैं बता नहीं सकती. I get so annoyed because I think women should take care about their hygiene. It's very important. And मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे irritate हो जाती हूँ. When it comes to men also, men and women both should take care about their hygiene. Like you said, you mentioned कि मुंह से बदबू आती है. I don't understand why people. I mean, see, it is also your lifestyle. Your health should be like that. You should start eating like that, and उससे भी बहुत effect करता है. That you need to eat right, and what you're supposed to eat, how you're supposed to eat. So how I start my day in person is that when it comes to my hygiene. Can you hear me? You can hear me, na?
Yes, I can hear you.
You can hear me, na?
Yeah, I can hear you.
You can hear me, right? Okay, chalo.
Yes.
So what I'm saying is that how I start my day. So whenever I get ready, abhi मैं live बैठी हूँ. I have applied. I've actually worn a perfume because I can't. A lot of people have told me, "Carry already तो मैं shoot पे जाती हूँ, whatever. If I'm in front of the camera, I want my perfume. मुझे बहुत लोग
Yeah.
Audrey, you are in front of the camera. No one's coming and smelling your armpits. I'm like, but still, it's about me. It's about how I feel. You need to feel good. So after I shower, like when I go obviously shower, मैं बाहर निकलती हूँ. There's moisturizer. You need to moisturize yourself, right? Because it's very, very, very important to do it only when your body is a little dry and wet both. And that's when you apply your moisturizer. फिर उसके बाद like there's a process. I have this basic cologne that I use. So I apply my cologne every there after that. And also, after it's very important. I've seen a lot of women. So pedicure को serious इतना नहीं लेते. And when I say that, they might be doing pedicure, but they don't moisturize their legs because हम
चलते हैं,
Yeah.
हाल नहीं देते हैं. तो पेडिक्योर करना और उसको मॉइस्चराइज करना आर टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू कम आउट ऑफ शावर एंड जब वो पैर गीले होते दैट टाइम यू शुड एक्चुअली try to clean it with your filer or something. You get the dirt out and then you put like a proper cream. So I suggest Boro Plus is the best. I'm not even kidding.
Boro Plus.
Yes.
Okay. I am more of a Vaseline fan. You know the Vaseline moisturizers?
I use Vaseline moisturizer on my body, but leg ke liye I use Boro Plus.
Boro Plus is more sticky, you know, for dry feet.
Yeah. I also use it on my face. मैंने तो बीच में पेट्रोलियम जेली यूज करी थी फेस पे and
You have dry skin?
I have a little. How do I put this? It's a combination skin. थोड़ा dry हो जाता है, थोड़ा but it doesn't look dry. That's the only problem. It is dry, but it doesn't look dry. A lot of people think I have an oily face. No, it is dry, but it's just that it doesn't come across like that. Akuti, I'm so sorry. My friends
Yeah.
are messaging. Hi Ali, and Clint's also messaging. Hi everyone. Hi. Okay.
Yeah.
Also, when
So-
हाँ.
So very important thing is that you know, once you shower, after that the basic hygiene routine should be number one, apply moisturizer on your body. Extremely important. और ये moisturizer हमें तब लगाना चाहिए when your skin is a little damp. It's not completely dry, it's not completely wet. That is when you know the moisturizer will be absorbed in your skin properly. Also, ज़्यादा moisturizer भी use नहीं होगा. कम ही moisturizer में काम हो जाएगा.
थोड़े से moisturizer में काम हो जाता है. But it's very important. I think so. I'll tell you how my routine works. मतलब मैं ऐसे जाती हूँ. I told you what I do after shower and all of that. But it's very important to keep your breath right. Very important. After we are anchors, we know how important it is to. We talk to so many people. जो mic हमारा पूरा टाइम mic होता है. Our mouth gets dehydrated. There are times that. I mean, to be honest, I also have days when my mouth is stinking and I'm like shit, kya karna hai? But for women, I think it's very, in general, it's very rude to chew gums. So always have like a mouth freshener and
Yeah.
gargle your mouth. Very important because and I have an issue. I have gums. My gums start bleeding at times. I don't know if people have this issue. So my gums bleed at times, and because of which my mouth stinks at times. You know, and especially when I get dehydrated. I get dehydrated a lot. मैं बहुत पानी पीती हूँ. Dehydration का issue है. But I try to eat healthy, and that has worked out. That has worked where I have eaten a lot of salads and fruits, and trust me, it changes your body odor. You won't. Honestly, I have never, like, my feet never stink. Even if I go to the gym and all, it doesn't, because it's the lifestyle. I mean, how you take care of yourself. And for women, it's very important to be very healthy.
Right, and as they say, you know, basically when we eat food, we are making whatever we are eating, we are making it a part of our own body. वो food आपके body में जाता है, it disintegrates and it gives you power, and basically the food becomes your body, it becomes you. So it's important to be cautious of what you're eating. If you're gonna eat burgers and pizzas, you're gonna look like burgers and pizzas, and you're also gonna smell like burgers and pizzas. I mean, no offense to burgers and pizzas, I love them, but then you can't eat them on a regular basis, you know.
Yeah.
So it's a wonderful thing that you're doing. What kind of salads you're eating? If you can share some diet secret plans.
Diet. After I've tried so many diets, like I've tried different kind of diet in my. So I started working out when it's been 9 years that I've been working out. And 9 years, मतलब ऐसा बहुत 9 years back I started, and मुझे बहुत serious लेना था. I had done a ramp show पहले बार, और I realized the models are very skinny, and I was like, I've always had a body structure which is broad. I can never get skinny. Never in my life, because my body is broad. So मैं जिम तभी पहले बार मैंने शुरू कर दिया. So I've tried so many different kind of diets. Like, back then I had done a drastic transformation where I think green tea really helps to build your metabolism. मैं बहुत
Yeah.
पेन थी बहुत ज़्यादा. But I also had acne issues. I had major acne issues. मतलब people didn't know I had dimples. Like people didn't know because my whole face was full with black pimples and black and green and pus bhara hua face, and I had acne here. So it was very bad. And then मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें की उसके लिए. I my diet was different. I used to eat only salad dal. Lunch में सुबह उठ के. So my routine was that I used to wake up at 6 in the morning. 6 बजे उठ के 7:30 बजे योगा क्लासेस जाती थी. योगा के बाद I used to come back home, have some Avion and Siesta campus and a little dry fruits, and then I used to go to the gym, work out, come back, have my breakfast at around 11:30, then 1:30, 2 o'clock go. Lunch में I used to have salads and no carbs at all. मतलब no roti and all, roti and rice वगैरह नहीं. So salad and dal. And कभी सोयाबीन का मम्मी ने कुछ सब्जी बनाया. मैं तो घर का पूरा खाती थी मैं सब्जी, but no carb, like no rice and my earrings are not. So उसके बाद I have done that. फिर मैं रात फिर उसके बाद 4 बजे के आसपास I used to have my 4 o'clock I used to have my peanut butter sandwich, एक piece सिर्फ, because I needed a little carbs then, और उसके साथ green tea. 8 बजे के आसपास and little dry fruit, and 8 बजे के आसपास soup. That is soup, and that I did for a very long time. And after I had become very skinny, मैं इतनी पतली हो गई थी कि मेरे mom dad डर गए. फिर उसके बाद मैंने intermittent किया. Intermittent also is really good. बहुत अच्छा है वो.
Dude, you don't need any of it, yeah. You're good. You're perfect and fit. You have got these muscles which are important.
No, but I think it's I've always been like that. मतलब वो हो गया that I do eat a lot बाहर का, but मुझे घर का ज़्यादा, like I want it to have salad because I've got acidity issues also, and that again causes a lot of issues. I've got major acidity. So
See, for your acidity issue, what I'll give you a nice घर का hack for acidity issue. Number 1, start eating good in the morning before eating
Yeah.
anything else. Eat a small portion of good and have water on it. After that, after half an hour, then you drink pani boiled in सौंफ. सौंफ, you know what सौंफ is?
हाँ,
सौंफ आती है ना?
बड़ी सौंफ.
हाँ, बड़ी सौंफ. उसको पानी में उबालो. 1 कप पानी रखा है तो वो उबल के जब हाफ हो जाएगा ना, तब उसको स्ट्रेन करो and drink it. It's gonna do wonders for your acidity. Wonders, I'm telling you.
I
Yeah.
think acidity has been such an issue in my family. Like dad and me have major acidity. He's had ulcers and all of that. The only reason I have to be on a healthy, like I have to eat good,
Yeah.
and now it's become a habit. Now मैं बहुत कम बाहर का खाती हूँ, and I think lockdown has changed. So like lockdown's been the best. I'm not it's the best time. I've explored so many things.
Right. Right, lockdown has been a good thing. So we were talking about odors and
Yeah.
some hacks that I would want to share for odor to get rid of, especially your mouth odor. जैसा Audrey ने कहा, drink water. By
Water,
drinking
yeah.
water, what
Yeah.
you do, you have so many bacteria that form in your mouth. Because we know our body is made out of living organisms. So
Correct.
आपके मुंह में जब वो बन जाते हैं and then stays there for long, then your mouth start to stink. So if you will keep drinking water, you will avoid the problem of stinking mouth. Plus हम mouth spray use कर सकते हैं, chewing gums use कर सकते हैं, Listerine use कर सकते हैं. But if you don't want to use Listerine, because my dentist told me don't use Listerine, it's not good for your dental health. So instead of Listerine, just take some warm water, put some salt in it, and gargle your mouth with that. So that is going to do better than Listerine.
Yeah. I think
Okay.
salt water
Yeah.
is the best. I honestly
Right.
think salt water is the best. It helps your gums also relax and बहुत अच्छा है. But Listerine also is nice, yeah. I mean Listerine with little water. I think it works for my ulcers. It is the best
Okay.
for ulcers. It is the best. I mean I don't use it on a regular basis, but
Hmm.
it does help for ulcers, like a lot. I
Yeah.
used to get ulcers when I get dehydrated or if there's something wrong I've eaten, then to ulcer ho gaya. So
So once or twice a week, Listerine is fine. But my
yeah.
dentist told me that don't use it every day because it might do more harm than good. So thrice is good. Rest of the days you can use hot water with salt.
Yeah. Hot water with salt is
Now
fine.
let's talk about perfumes. अभी perfumes लगाते हैं, but you know within half an hour, 1 hour, perfume का खुशबू खत्म हो जाता है. And then some people, I will not name, they start to stink. Girls, it does not look good, yeah. Don't stink, please. So, Audrey, tell us your hacks. What do you do for your perfumes?
Okay, now I love perfume. Love है. I am like mad for perfumes. कोई भी हो, कुछ भी हो, perfumes are my love. So and I love smelling good all the time. मैं बता भी नहीं सकती मेरे को. I need my head to ऐसे to smell good. So मुझे है वो like I need. So I was thinking मैं नहा के बाहर निकलती हूँ cologne लेती हूँ. I'm like I don't know.
Salman Khan action.
Yeah, that's very bad accent actually. But yeah, so and I think it you know I'll tell you one thing. I think you're a Kanya Rashi, I'm a Kanya Rashi. Both are Virgos. Virgos में है perfection. We like it perfect. We've always
We like to smell good all the time.
yeah, we are. It's just there. So I'll tell you a quick hack about how to actually avoid your underarm disgusting. Um,
Yes, please.
I don't know if people know about this, but lemon जो है, when you rub lemon in your underarms, don't do it when you backstab. Please don't do it when you backstab. वरना
It will burn.
but you can lemon helps to get the odor out. And this was an issue when I was off carbs and when my diet when I was feeling to Miss India तो बहुत difficult हो गया था क्योंकि water मुझे कम करना था body में, then all of it, so there was a lot of issues. It does happen when you work out so much and all of it, and I get mad if I even feel that I'm stinking or if I even feel that I'm smelling. So नींबू लगाती थी मैं, and then after that I used to wear perfume on for my clothes, and after the trust me, lemon can never make you smell. Like if you've done this here, you will not smell at all. So I think that's the best thing anyone can do. अगर आप restaurant में किसी के साथ date पे जा रहे हो, you can
Yeah.
literally, like ask for
So,
lemon and you're like,
so you apply lemon and then you clean it, or you just leave it
no,
like
no,
that?
just leave it. Just leave it.
Leave it. Doesn't it get sticky?
No,
Doesn't
absolutely
it get sticky?
no,
No.
absolutely not. नहीं, lemon.
Yeah, lemon is a natural antibacterial, what do you call? It is also anti-bleach. No, it's a
Yeah,
natural
it's
bleach. It's a
yeah,
antibacterial, antiperspirant.
yeah.
Yeah.
So it's very good. I think lemon's very good. One second, Akriti, Irvin is saying hi. Irvin's my brother, so he's hi.
Hello.
He's saying tips for guys. it seems. हाँ, तो
Tips
वो
for
है
guys. We did a lot of tips for guys on yesterday's episode. Sorry, guys. Today's episode is only for girls. Why should boys have all the fun?
हाँ, तो
So,
that's
yeah. How to make your perfume stay for longer hours? You know, when you apply, yeah.
yeah. So there are points of applying. I also have this issue that I have seen the most expensive perfumes also don't stay on your body at times. Even if you've taken something and you're like, wow, this smells divine, but it doesn't stay at times. So now we all know this. I'm sure Akriti, you know this. I don't know about the others, but your body generates heat, and there are points that your body generates heat to. So like especially if you are someone who has darker vein, like I have like a green color vein.
I have.
You also are like warm skin tone, so I have dark green. So
Yeah,
I
me
have
too.
warm skin tone. So हाँ मेरा भी वही तो क्या होता है कि you need to firstly know the kind of fragrance that suits your body. I've experimented with many, and I've realized it's very important to know the kind of perfume that suits your body. That's the kind of category that suits your body. Like for me, woody feels really well, and at times it's also floral. Now, there are points you need to know where to apply. So this generates heat a lot. Because, yeah, your nerves generate a lot of heat. Then you can apply it here, it generates a lot of heat. Yeah, here. And here it's very important. Yes, here it's very important. And here, like here.
Yeah, at the back.
Yeah, back. So at the back is why I'll tell you. So this is how do I put this?
मैं बताती हूँ, पीछे से लड़का आए तो उसको एकदम खुशबू आनी चाहिए, हवा को झोंका.
This is the reason why they say कि यहाँ पे perfume लगाते so that you walk, तो आपके बालों से वो खुशबू आती है, and the guy is like, oh my, oh la la, like this girl is so smells so good, and I think fragrance aroma of a person is something that guys like. So our body also generates natural aroma. You must have heard a lot of people must have said that you smell good, and I'm sure you must have come across. So that happens is because again, like you said, you need to eat right, and that's what your body puts out. So it's yeah. So these are the points I use my perfume on, and then I don't do this after using my perfume. I never do this. You will never do this. I don't know why people do this. You actually are spoiling the fragrance of the perfume. So you should never do this. And of course, know your perfume. It's very, very important to have a signature smell. Very important to have a signature aroma. This is what. Like for me, I know that this is one particular perfume that suits me, and then खत्म हो रहा है यार, वो मुझे बहुत बुरा लग रहा है.
So which is that signature fragrance for you?
For me, two have been. One is Roberto Cavalli has been really
Beautiful perfume.
And Prada Candy. And the Prada Candy has three.
Yeah.
The white color, the lighter, how does the lighter pink bottle? Oh my God! After it turns me on when I smell myself. It's so beautiful because it's nice. I'm not even kidding.
Guys, you know what perfume you have to wear when you're meeting Audrey.
But लड़कों के लिए I think Versace is really good. What do you think?
Versace.
Yeah, right?
Beautiful, yeah, wonderful fragrance.
Yeah.
Right. I also like Paco Rabanne. Like that's Lady Million is one of my favorite signature fragrances, which I always wear. And then the other one for me is Paco Rabanne Lady Million.
Yeah, Lady Million. Oh my
That's
God.
one of my
I
favorite.
forgot about
And
it. Yeah.
yeah, and it also has a men's variant,
Yeah,
which
1
is
million.
called 1 million. That's also amazing. There is this one called, there is this one by Carolina Herrera, the beautiful shoe bottle.
I have it.
Yummy,
I
yummy.
have it. I know what you're talking about. It is that sandal.
Yeah, so I got that limited edition velvet red color heel.
I have
High
the black
heel.
one. It's beautiful. That one is
Ooh, beautiful. Yeah.
I think black is good by black by Burberry. Beautiful.
Yeah, that's also nice.
I don't know if you've tried Roberto Cavalli, but then ये वाला जो है, I didn't know how good or bad it would be, but this one I had got it from Dubai. They also have an oud. You know about oud?
Oh yes, oud, I know.
So it is, I think, a one-time It was a one-time investment for me because एक तो bottle अच्छा खासा बड़ा आता है, छोटा नहीं आता, अच्छा आता है, and it's not like it is. I always think perfumes are a one-time investment because they stay,
Right.
and if you know the right perfume, they'll stay right, and you just need to know that what stays on your body. So that black stays
Right.
on my body, and candy stays on my body, and I told you Roberto Cavalli. That's it. And it
Can I give you a hack? Can I give you a hack with which you can make your perfume stay for long?
Please,
So before you apply your perfume, just apply a little bit of Vaseline or any other body lotion, something that's sticky and creamy. apply it on your points wherever you want to apply, and then spray perfume on it. It will last
Really?
longer.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. I am
This
definitely.
is fame fashion, fame fashion talking.
This is so good. I'm gonna try this. I'm definitely gonna try this.
Yeah.
Amazing. Beautiful.
Correct. Yeah. So now
After
let's move
saying
on
that,
to your makeup hacks, Audrey. You told me you get ready in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, max 15 minutes with such beautiful hair makeup. How do you do it? What are the hacks?
um, I have learned this one thing कि आपको maximum 20 minute में कैसे ready होना. Every girl takes time to get ready. I think men should also take time to get ready because I honestly feel a guy when he gets ready he takes 40 minutes at least to get like properly मतलब बराबर से एकदम ready very okay when you do your beard and all of that you do your hair you gel it up or whatever and then you dress up you do everything so girls all and लड़कियां हैं हम we have to invest a lot of time. And guys have always had a complaint कि you take a lot of time yeah, to get ready. So let's do it soon yeah. I mean I am fed up of waiting for you. So ये हमेशा से complaint रहा है लड़कों का. So I have kind of like, cracked this thing where I get ready very soon. First of all, it's like I said, it's very important to do your hair and makeup right. And how do you do that is uh, you need to invest on yourself once. I think these are very good investments that you do. You need to invest on yourself once. So get a cysteine or keratin done. Very important. Like I'm just saying the
Okay.
basics. How then later we talk about these hacks. But then I think it's very important to do your keratin done because what happens is the frizziness from your hair goes away and your hair settles down and it's just very nice. Second thing that I feel is that when you curl, so I have started. I love curling my hair. So what I do is
Yeah.
I love it. So I create like very big sections of my hair. My earrings just bother me, but I create like big sections of my hair, and not more than 15 seconds. And people have this thing that you should not every day if you do your hair आपके बाल डैमेज नहीं होते क्या ये वो आखिर में 8 साल से अपने बालों को मशीन यूज करती लाइक आई एम श्योर इवन यू इतने टाइम
मैं 15 साल से रोज मेरे बालों को स्ट्रेटन कर रही हूँ रोज. Every day I put hair straightener on my hair.
एग्जैक्टली हम इतने टाइम से कर रहे हैं एंड आई हैव एंड दिस इज डेड एक्चुअली योर सेल योर इज डेड योर this is alive your roots so you don't pull it anything from your roots but it's also how you take care of your hair so I don't use products that are I use that as surface free products I don't take anything that is that's bad for my hair I like experimenting a lot with myself तो मैं कुछ भी कोई भी प्रोडक्ट यूज कर लेती हूँ मुझे ऐसा नहीं है कि आई एम वेरी पर्टिकुलर कि ये कैसा है वो कैसा है ये प्रोडक्ट कैसा वो प्रोडक्ट कैसा है एंड ऑल्सो आई रियलाइज द मोर frizzy your hair gets after shower उतना ही आपका हेयर स्टाइल अच्छा होता है like you need to
Yeah.
you need to wash your hair a night prior and then do your curls it just gets better and makeup so I've understood one thing about your makeup is that it's very simple you need to practice it's very important to blending is very very important कि आप right blend करो and then after that I blend my makeup right I don't जब मैं normally if I'm doing something so I just take my what do you call it my foundation apply it soon and blending में I think people need to I don't know how you do it Akriti but I wet my blending sponge
Yeah.
do you do it too
I used to do it with water before, but now I've got this Color Bar primer, which is a liquid primer. So I wet my sponge with that liquid primer, and it works like wonders. Like it blends my makeup beautifully.
yeah primers have never worked for me right yeah I've had breakouts I've tried so many primers I don't use sunscreen as primer just saying I hate sunscreen and primers I can't do it because my skin gets very sticky so I've always left it like that but yeah I mean quick foundation is what I do. Very simple, quick foundation. Your eyebrows are necessary. It's very important to have your eyebrows done, and
Yeah,
your
extremely.
yeah, your cheekbones is very important. You know, to put a little blush, because I think every girl should understand that blush is nice. ज़्यादा भी blush
Yeah.
नहीं करना है, natural रखना है, because can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
I had done this one video with Anushka Dandekar, and we had done this video on beauty hacks, and I really like how she actually told me that, you know, it's very important कि आप अगर घर से कुछ भी नहीं करके निकल रहे हो, बहुत पहले किया था मैंने ये वीडियो, अगर कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हो, just do your foundation or BB cream or whatever. I don't prefer BB cream, I prefer foundation. And then do your cheeks and your eyebrows and your lipstick. That is it. And I really think that,
Enough.
that's it. I mean, that's it. And you know, a lady-like person will never do over-the-top makeup. You know, girls should always understand elegant makeup तब होता है जब आप elegantly उसको करो. You're supposed to do light makeup, not like too much of makeup. And even if you're doing, you need to understand your eyes are. If your eyes are dark, your lipstick is supposed to be light. If your lipstick is dark, your eyes are supposed to be light. So बहुत important होता है ये सब understand करना. And if not, if you don't wanna waste, if you don't have the energy or if you don't have the time, just do your foundation, BB cream, whatever, red lipstick, and boom, you're ready. Red lipstick changes everything. So, yeah.
Right. I totally agree with you, Audrey. Like, doing your eyebrows is such a major blessing because, you know, if you're doing nothing on your face and you just form your brows, your
Yeah.
face looks bright. And that blusher, what you spoke about, again, a wonderful suggestion. And for all the girls who don't know how to use a blusher, or you don't have a blusher, you do not want to carry a lot of makeup, then, you know, just take a lipstick, natural pink lipstick, apply on your cheek, apply on your eyes, and you're just done. Like, one product, 10
I
makeup
love
hacks.
I love it.
Yeah. Right. It also makes your face look very fresh. But there's one product for your blush on. It's the tint by Benefit. I don't know if you know about it.
I was just about benefit नहीं. अच्छा tint. Okay. I was thinking about Biotic में भी एक है. It's a lip balm.
Tint.
Yeah, it's a
Okay.
lip tint, and then you also use it. It is beautiful आकृति. बहुत
Right.
सुंदर लगता है वो.
हाँ.
Tint I'm gonna buy.
Same. I think it's a similar product which I'm talking about. I have these two tints from Benefit. One is orange and one is pink. And it gives such a nice natural glow. Look at my face. I'm just wearing a little tint on my
Really?
cheek. It's the pink one. Yeah.
I'm gonna get
It's
it.
not blush on. It's contour, little tint, and then highlighter.
It looks
Nowadays,
nice.
I'm a big fan of highlighters. I just can't do without them. I want them all the time.
I love highlighters. मैंने एक highlighter
See who's come to meet you.
Oh my god!
We should come to meet you.
God. Hi.
Ah.
His name is Snowy, right?
Mushi.
Mushi, yeah. He used to put a lot of. Oh my god. He's
Oh, we should say hello. Hey. Okay, now he's going.
It's white. Wow.
I gave him a shower yesterday. Mushi is also groomed today. Look at him.
Beautiful, yeah. Very, very pretty. Very pretty.
Yeah.
Nice.
He wanted to come and sit on me.
तो ले लो ना. He's so cute.
बिठा दिया गया. Done. हाँ.
If you
So
ask me, what do you think about James Charles? I think James Charles does a mad work with his makeup. Mad makeup.
absolutely. I don't know who James Charles is, by the way.
James Charles is this guy Instagram पे बहुत famous हुआ है. वो बहुत creative makeup करता है. So I am not someone who does creative makeup. I cannot. I can do basic makeup. I can do makeup that I can use for work. I can do makeup that I can use on daily basis. But I am not a makeup expert. Like, I'm just telling people that it's not necessary to be a makeup expert. It's all about, like they say, that no one is ugly. You just need to groom yourself. That's it, and you are booked. You need to have a good lifestyle, good body, good hair care. You need to know how to do these things, and that's it. I mean, everyone looks nice.
Yeah, and in order to look put together, I think your hair and makeup also plays a very important role.
Very
आप
important.
अगर simply थोड़ा सा भी कुछ लगा लेते हो मुंह पे, बालों को सिर्फ simply style कर लेते हो, you know, they're not frizzy, you look
Yeah,
put together and you look much more presentable. और
exactly.
मेकअप में भी ऐसे crazy colors लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है, like how you're wearing a simple brown shade, which
Yeah,
works almost on all the outfits. I'm
yeah.
also wearing brown.
मैंने थोड़ा सा उसको ब्लैक से ब्लेंड किया
Smoke
साइड
किया
में,
है.
थोड़ा सा
अच्छा
ताकि
लगे.
वो ज्यादा ना लगे. I don't like
Yeah.
loud makeup unless I'm doing a show, but I don't like loud makeup.
And
I
nowadays I
don't like
feel
that.
nowadays I feel ये मेकअप और हेयर करना थोड़ा और इम्पोर्टेंट हो गया है. That's because क्या हो रहा है, अभी सब घर में बंद है because of the COVID-19 pandemic. We all are at home. We are dating online. We are working online. We are like constantly in front of the camera.
The
So
camera.
in that situation, it's also important, you know, to apply a little bit of makeup
Yeah,
and do your
yeah.
hair. If you can give us some quick tips for girls who are watching out there who can, you know, make them look good and presentable on camera.
So I think your hairstyles really matter. Okay, I'll tell you this, Akriti. So I have had a major issue of baby hair. Major issue of baby hair.
Yeah.
And my baby hair was like clear. Even you have a little, na? But मेरा
Have
little
your
नहीं था. मेरा यहाँ तक ऐसे पूरा baby hair. If you see my previous pictures, I've had a lot of issues with baby hair. But lockdown has taught me a lot. I'm telling you. And I realized कि because we had to, like you said, you know, कि हम बार-बार कैमरा के सामने हैं and बार-बार फोन के सामने. Everything right now is like there. And when I train my clients, I have to be clear. I have to be ठीक है, मतलब you know, अगर मुझे देखेंगे तो लोग serious लेंगे. That's my bread and butter now. It is something I have to take care of. तो मैंने एक चीज realize I said this has transformed my look totally because I could never tie my hair. मुझे कभी कोई हेयर स्टाइल बाल बांध के नहीं करती थी मैं हमेशा बाल खुले ही रहते थे. तो मैंने कहा ये एक दिन मैं ऐसे बिजनेस पर बिकॉज बहुत बॉदर हो रहा था मुझे. वो इतने सालों से ऑलवेज बीन देयर and I can't even get a laser done क्योंकि दिमाग में नहीं आता. अभी लॉकडाउन में था तो मैंने I ordered for this. I had this cream which clearly says that you can use it everywhere apart from your private areas. You're not supposed to use it, but you can use it anywhere. Like I said, I experiment a lot on myself. तो मैंने ये निकाल दिया आपको. मैंने क्रीम लगा दी, ये निकाल दिया. And it changed my look so much. Just and it just gave me a broader forehead. And now I can tie my hair. I can proudly do this. I used to never play.
Right.
It just
I can definitely see the difference.
Yeah, there's like major.
So what did you apply over here? Hair removal cream.
There's some cream my auntie had given me. She had gone to Dubai, so she had bought it from Dubai. But it's a hair removal cream, and I was obviously using it, but I never thought of using it here. It changed my look. But lately I also waxed it. I went to the salon and got it waxed also. And
Yeah.
waxing is painful when you do it here.
Waxing is painful. Oh my god.
When you do it here.
Don't make me remember that.
But it is a transformation. I have seen my skin looks clear, my face looks better, and it's just very nice. And then
Yeah.
when I'm on the camera, be some have this. I mean, if you can do it right, then please try this. I would recommend people to try this. Just don't get extra hair out. It changes your look, and because this is
Yeah,
the
you can.
that we are, yeah. This is the only thing that we're
You can
doing.
thread
So,
it out also. I mean, it's a
yeah,
very little thing, but still it makes a lot of difference in front of the
lot,
camera, especially.
lot. So हाँ मतलब ये try कर लो अगर है तो. Apart from that, even if you wear a pajama down, it's okay. Your this should be right. So I think it's very important to have solid colors.
Have this sorted.
Yeah, it's very important to have solid colors. And your background should, like you said, your background should be nice and plain. You send me a message. Yeah, solid colors always go right. Know the kind of colors that suit your body, because if you're a warm skin like Akriti and me, so mustards will go right, greens, olives will go right, beige will go right on camera, because now you're doing more on camera. So beige अच्छा जाता है, blacks तो सब पे जाता है. Don't opt for the pinks and purples if you're someone like me and Akriti. But if you're someone who's fair, can try colors like pinks and reds and all of that. Don't go for beige. Don't go for greens. Don't go for mustard, because it doesn't look good on everyone. And apart from that, makeup hacks, like that is the outfit you're supposed to wear when you're there. क्योंकि इतना ही दिख रहा है. Accessorize yourself right. Know the kind of accessories you're wearing. Say आप यहाँ पे अगर कुछ हल्का पहन लो तो यहाँ पे घर में हैवी. It's a three accessory rule है. Watch, something light here and heavy here, and what else you can do? I mean, this helps you add on. ये बहुत सुंदर लगता है अगर आप इतना कर लो. And makeup, yes, you need to understand कि if you're doing something live, you need to have your makeup also right. Like you've done your eyes nice. Your lipstick is nice. Your eyebrows look nice. I mean, that just changes so much. If your lipstick is right, your this and this is right, तो आपको शायद अगर आपका स्किन अच्छा है तो आपको फाउंडेशन लगाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. This is just
बिल्कुल.
important. So it's only important to know that your hair is done right. Or you don't, even if you don't do your hair, just tie it up. I mean, like I showed, that you can just like, whatever, you can just like tie it up and just like leave it. Or keep your hair behind. अगर आपके बाल पीछे से frizzy है. So I do this, I keep my hair right. So it's okay. I mean, you can do anything, but know that this is important right now. This is very
Right.
important right now. So,
And along with doing the right makeup, the right hair, also get a nice light, because light plays
yes.
a very big role in how you look in front of the camera. So that is
Yes.
important. Also
I'll
angles.
I'll show you what I've used for light. My
Yeah.
my laptop has like a white screen on. So
Wow.
it's yeah,
How creative.
I've kept like a white screen on, and the white screen on YouTube मैंने play किया है, वो चल रहा है, और मेरे face पे वो light आ रही है. So that's just
I'll
like
show you what light I'm using. I'm using this.
ring light.
It's a ring light that I'm using. So
I know
this works wonderfully for me. Yeah.
it's a very nice light. I think ring light is very important. I think people should invest. अगर आप social media पे कोई content बना रहे हो, if you're more on social media, it's very important to invest on things. It's a one-time investment.
Right. Now, Audrey, we don't have much time. We only have like 5 minutes left for the session to get over. But I do want to talk to you about two things. So quickly, let's talk about vaginal care. That's very important. I see a lot of girls suffering from vaginal issues, and that's because nobody talks about it. Nobody says how you should keep it clean. So what are your personal hacks? How do you keep yourself clean?
I think Akriti, when talking about vagina, a lot of people have issues. Like I personally have like vaginal issues, because I keep traveling a lot, and we go to the washroom. ऐसे random washroom में आप चले जाते हो. एक तो मुझे बहुत issues हुआ है. When I was in 10th, I still remember in my 10th, my boards are मेरे कल पहला board exam है, and I got like a very big how do I put this, very big boil in my vagina, and then I couldn't pee. There was vaginal infection, and I still remember this had happened because I had used a washroom that was when I was traveling.
Yeah.
बहुत दिक्कत हुई थी. Akriti, I can't tell you how bad it was, and my papers tomorrow, and then it was hurting. I couldn't walk. Obviously, because it's a very, very, very sensitive part. So, so then I went to the doctor, got an injection done, and it was out. But these things, people need to know that our vagina is very sensitive, and we have the white discharge that goes out. We have so much happening. In fact, there's this video. I'll share it to you. It's beautifully shown how a woman's vagina and her body reacts over things. Very beautiful video. Um, so now talking about that, you are supposed to take good care. It is very important. So whenever I think a person goes, अभी तो बहुत सारी चीजें आई है, बहुत सारी products आई है. Whenever you're going out in the using a public washroom, there are sprays that you can use on the seat.
Be safe.
Yeah, be safe. There are seat covers that you can use. Back then, I don't remember जब मैं school college में थी तब ये था, जब you newly started.
सब कुछ था नहीं.
तभी इतना कुछ.
हाँ.
So it's very important. First of all, basic, how do you say, basic things you need to follow when you're using a washroom. That's public washroom. Always clean the seat. Take a hand shower, clean it. बहुत important है.
And I would suggest that don't even clean the seat. I mean, just don't sit at it.
Yeah.
Learn to squat, girls. It's very important for you to learn to squat.
Yeah.
Because I got a vaginal infection. That was because I was doing one thing wrong, and I think most of the girls are doing it wrong. We think that if we'll clean the seat with water and then we'll put tissue paper on it, that means it's safe. But those tissue papers do not, stop the viruses from entering you. So instead of doing that, use a Be Safe, or otherwise just squat.
Yeah, exactly. That is very important. I mean, squatting is so important, but कभी-कभी क्या हो जाता है मुझे, like for me personally, squatting gets a little difficult when I'm wearing heels or something.
Yeah.
Or if I've gone to a club, I've had extra wine, then it gets a little difficult for me.
मैं ड्रेस को संभालूं, हील्स को संभालूं, कि स्क्वाट करूं कि पी करूं. माय गॉड, गर्ल्स की जिंदगी इतनी डिफिकल्ट है.
Yeah, and my doctor had told me long back that always whenever you're using a hand shower को आगे से पीछे you need to wash your vagina, not where in front, because your from behind there's a lot of bacteria in your anus. You need to understand that bacteria, if it enters anywhere close to your vagina, you are gone. So that's the most dirtiest place in a human body. Is that जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा bacteria आता है is that. So you need to know that, and also use, like, honestly, people have told me not to use V-wash, but it suits me. There are a lot of lactic acid, which is very important to keep it clean and wash it daily. Don't have too much hair around, because
that becomes dirty and unhygienic. For people who do not want to use V-wash, or it does not suit you, you can also boil neem leaves in water and then use that water to clean your vagina.
Yeah, and also baking soda with, like, a little baking soda with water if you have a vaginal infection. Baking soda with water helps. It helps. So you can try that. But it's very important to keep it clean. Very, very important. Whenever you go, at times if I have an infection, I go touch the door. You come touch the door again. So there are chances that you get the vagina through your hand also. So I think Corona has taught us that you need to wash your hand again and again. होता है. It's very important how you wash it, clean it, wipe it after you wash, because अगर your vagina, you washed it, it's wet, you wear an underwear, and bacteria जमा हो जाते हैं because it's wet, and then you have
Right. Also, it's important to wear clean underwears.
Yeah.
Wash them every day. If you have a problem of white discharge, you should change your underwears at least twice a day. Clean them properly. Do not apply bleach directly on your panties, because that's gonna, create some acidity on the cloth, and later it might create infections for you. Also, कुछ लड़कियां होती हैं जो सभी लड़कियां पहनती हैं, those lacy, fancy undergarments, which actually looks really hot and beautiful. But girls on the daily basis try and stick to cotton.
Cotton is the best, but I am used to AC stuff right now.
Even I use AC stuff. Cottons are for nights.
Cotton front
Sleep
of-
alone, wear cotton.
Granny endeavors are during a menstrual cycle. Very important. You wear tight that time, but
Yeah.
and keep your vagina clean during a menstrual cycle. Very, very, very important.
Right. On that note, Audrey, thank you so much for being here. I want to talk to you. मतलब और बात करने का मन तो मेरा बहुत है, लेकिन टाइम अभी अलाउ नहीं करेगा. अपने आप इंस्टाग्राम बंद कर देगा, तो उससे पहले मैं आपको बोल दूं धन्यवाद, आप हमारे पास आए.
Thank you.
इतनी सारी नॉलेज आपने हमें दी, बहुत मजा आया.
मुझे भी बहुत सारे hacks पता चले. I'm gonna try all of them. Thanks, Akriti. Thank you so much for having me here. And guys, let me tell you, Akriti is a very, very, very dear friend because I still remember that she's given me. She herself, being an anchor, has this thing that she's not, insecure because she has that confidence about her. She's always smiling. She knows what she is, and has also given me gigs. Yeah. So love you, man. Thank you for having me here. Chalo.
Thanks for being there, Audrey. You're a sweetheart. Keep growing, keep doing the hard work, and all the best for Audricious.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me. Bye guys. Bye everyone. Take care.
Bye. Good day.